In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk add rows to Google Sheets with Make.com. Start by opening Make in your browser and going to your main dashboard. This is the home base where you can build scenarios, browse templates, and manage automations. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the navigation area and select the option that takes you to Templates. Templates are useful because they give you a ready-made starting point, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. After you are in the Templates area, focus on the search and filtering controls near the top. Click into the Filter section and choose Google Sheets as the app you want to work with. This narrows the template list so you only see options that are designed to connect with Google Sheets. This is important because Make has many templates across different apps, and filtering saves time and avoids confusion. Next, click into the main search field on the Templates page. Type your search term so you can find a template related to bulk adding rows. As you type, Make will update the results to match what you entered. Then click the search prompt that appears for bulk add rows, so the platform applies your query and shows the most relevant results. Once the results load, type the phrase bulk add rows into the search bar more precisely if needed to tighten the results even further. This helps you locate the exact template that matches the workflow you want, especially if there are several similar options. Now review the templates that appear and click the one that matches bulk adding rows to Google Sheets. When you open the template, take a moment to confirm it is the correct one by checking that it is built for Google Sheets and that it clearly mentions adding multiple rows at once. Finally, click the button to use or open the template so you can move forward with it inside your Make workspace. At this point, you have successfully found and opened the correct Make template for bulk adding rows to Google Sheets, and you are ready to continue configuring it for your own data. And that covers everything you need to know.